Things you need: paper, a pencil, a rubber, and if you have them, some pens. Hi again, Dom here. In the last video, we looked at how you could put shapes together, like sausage shapes and potato shapes, and put them together to make a human figure. In this video, we're going to see what other details we can add, like hands and feet and whatever. Let's start off with some hands. Just like before, we're going to use potato shapes and sausage shapes. First, using a pencil, draw a potato shape on a piece of paper. This is going to be the palm of a hand. Now the thumb. Draw two sausage shapes on the side of a hand, like this. For fingers, draw two longer sausage shapes along the top of a hand 4 times, like this. Now, draw a potato in between each sausage, and also draw a potato between the sausages and the big potato you drew. Finally, get your pen and draw around the outside of your shapes. Draw 2 lines at the bottom as well for the wrist. When you've done that, rub it all out and you have a hand. Let's try some feet now. First, start off with a squished potato, like this. Then, add smaller potato shapes at the bottom of this potato. Start off with a big one and make each one smaller. The big one is going to be the big toe. When you've done that, take a pen and draw 2 lines down to your squished potato. This will be the ankle. Then roughly draw, with your pen, a line around the outside. Rub out the insides and you're done. Now it's time to try out whatever you want on your figure. Maybe you want some clothes. A simple way to draw some clothes on them is to draw a line across the neck, across the waist, at the bottom of the legs, and at the end of the arms. And it looks like now they're wearing simple clothes. Try out different clothes and details. Maybe they wear a necklace, maybe some rings. Now's a good time to take everything we've learned and put it together. Think about the shapes we've used to make a figure. What pose would they be in? Will you pose them standing, sitting, running? Think about the hands. What are the hands doing? What about the feet? Do they have shoes on? Can you see their toes? What about the clothes? And the hair? What type of person do you want to draw? One last thing. The shapes we've been using have been sausage shapes and potato shapes. But what would happen if we use other shapes? If you want to do a more realistic shaped head, you want to use an upside down egg-like shape. But what about if we used other shapes? Triangles, hexagons, squiggly shapes. What about if we made the heads really small, or really big, or made the legs really long, or the arms really stubby? What type of weird bodies can we make? Try out lots of different things. Make them all wibbly wobbly, all distorted or spiky. Experiment, muck around, try everything out. What's the weirdest person you can make? My name is Dom. I hope you've enjoyed this video.